Oh shit, man. Look at this shit. No, man, what the fuck? Ah, damn, Robins! Robins in case of any possible contingency. Bash these motherfuckers. Blast off my nigga. Oh shit. Oh damn, fuck that. I'm about to go kick this motherfucker right now. Boom, 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 boom. Blast off. Alright, motherfucker. I saw this shit happen last time and you weren't smart enough. So guess what? All you motherfuckers gonna die today. Gonna die today. What you mean gonna die today, motherfucker? I didn't die yet. All these motherfuckers gonna die? I don't think so. Cause I'm still alive, bitch. And you ain't shit. Man, fuck y'all, man. All y'all ain't shit. I mean, after all, I'm the only nigga in this thing. So, actually, you're not niggas. You got the fresh shoes. Thank y'all, niggas. Hey, I like your dick, too. Oh, damn. The dick is always what is great for me. Damn. I don't even know why I'm here, okay? I mean, after all, I am the real Robin. And all that matters is, we got to get the fuck up out of here. Oh shit, we about to die. Nigga, are you ghetto ass motherfuckers. That's my niggas. Get 'em.